Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rancilio Silvia, and let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam, and then we're going to do, as we always recommend with the Rancilio, to prevent the heating element from burning out, you run the steam first, and then you turn it off, and then you run a cooling flush. This just prevents the boiler from going dry. Get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.